The Galaxy S24 series will herald a new era in Samsung's software excellence, ushering in the long-awaited age of Galaxy AI. AI is gradually becoming a vital tool in our everyday lives. You may ask AI to compose you poetry or assist you in devising a terrific fitness plan. Conversational AI, such as ChatGPT, has drastically altered the game. It's significantly smarter than a typical phone assistant, which is why Google has included its Bird AI tool alongside Google Assistant on the Pixel 8 Pro. Along with AI, picture editing, and audio background reduction, most of what's new with the Pixel 8 Pro comes from AI, and Samsung is going to do the same with the Galaxy S24 series. According to Ice Universe, Samsung is developing an UI 6.1 software that will bring the genuine AI revolution to Galaxy smartphones, beginning with the Galaxy S24 series. Samsung will most likely incorporate a communication tool similar to ChatGPT, therefore making Bixby a million times smarter in solving your concerns. There will be several other AI features that we don't know about yet, but Samsung will most likely implement similar things to Google when it comes to image editing, as well as the possible implementation of AI-generated wallpapers where you can give the AI any description and get yourself a cool wallpaper. According to Ice Universe, this will be Samsung's largest AI upgrade in history, with Samsung possibly referring to the Galaxy S24 as an AI smartphone. So it seems like One UI 6.1 will be much larger than One UI 6.0. Furthermore, someone from the Samsung community reacted with this screenshot, in which a Samsung community manager said that they are building a whole new framework for the One UI rather than relying on Android's core layout. One UI 6.1 seems fairly intriguing, and the actual AI explosion is coming to Galaxy smartphones with the S24 series. Samsung is indeed serious about bringing console-level games to Galaxy smartphones in the future, as previously reported that Samsung is collaborating with game studios such as Epic Games, and now it's been reported that Samsung has big plans for not only the Galaxy S24 gaming experience but also the gaming experience on their folding devices, aka Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 in 2024. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.